Okay, go.
Got to do cross.
You're such a weakling. And it's gonna open again. Mary Poppins. Kathy, look at me. Look at this idiot. Look at this monkey. She's wearing a freaking skirt on a rainy day. Ugh. But anyways, we're going... We're going to the dep to buy a stamp so we could send the letter we wrote for Andrea to her camp.
What the hell?
And yeah. Are you seriously doing it on purpose or is that...
Look. Ah.
Okay, well that's enough. Okay, bye!